Welcome back, Session 8, Finviz, looking at discounted stocks that we possibly can make money on. I did a late work for you because I'm going to make a short video. I know everyone's busy with the holidays. So I found two companies of interest, Bidu and Dollar General. So we'll look in detail to see what they have to offer. Bidu, since I've been watching it, well, it had 100, it was 110. Now all of a sudden it ramped up to 116. It's at a really good price. It's really attractive to me. Let's see, over the 10 years, you could see it kind of lags the market. Not ideal. However, the last 5 years looks pretty good. And then last 2 years looks awesome. So last couple of years looks good. They were down to 103. Our timing's pretty good. We can go to this miniwebtool.com to find out percentages. 116 is what we buy it at today, and it was high. So we have roughly a 40% upswing if we get to that high point. So we wanted to go ahead and calculate how likely that would be. Baidu is Chinese Google, is the way it's been described to me. I pulled them up too so we could take a look at it. Baidu. So on 17, they had a 811, then they went to 11, then they had problems. They got to 82.10, $4 and then 29. Let's see what the quarterly looks like. 235.57, so they're back up to the 10. Not as consistent as I would like the company to be. However, it's still ramping up, and I was really impressed with their money cash that they have on the sideline. Take a look at the financials. Cash flow, 28 million, and relatively stayed the same the last few years. They have 26 million. So a good company. They have money on the side for research and development. I'm going to put Baidu on the hit list. And maybe I wait until it drops a little bit, gets back to the low, or I'll just have to research a little more. I brought up their website. What's kind of cool is you can get an English version, so kind of see exactly what they're up to here. So I'll be looking at like the revenue streams and different information to make a decision if I want to pull the trigger on Baidu. And we'll just get this so it works for us. There you go. Okay, and the next one we're going to look at, like I said, I did the legwork for you, picking these two gems. Now let's look at Dollar General. Last 2 years outpaces the market. monthly look at it. So there you go. It was up and then it's trailing and last, like at the last 6 months, trailing a little bit. The PE is relatively low, 1.83 yield, 128, and the high was 250. So less than half. So we have room to grow. And that's why I like Dollar General. Put them in here, look at their earnings, annual earnings. 2017, 445 to 1073. So very nice. Doubled there. We're only looking for, 10-15% per year. They did a lot better than that. And this year looks solid as well. Looks like another 7-8 year. So yes, Dollar General is definitely something we're interested in taking a better look at and seeing what it can do for us. Cash flow, 1.4 million. That's 400 grand. So they don't have as much cash this year, but they still have enough to build stores and do what they need to do to keep going as a company. But I'll look at that and see if I can determine why they lost cash flow, because that's always kind of disconcerting. Other than that, that concludes today's episode. We'll do one more Finviz for tomorrow, maybe do 1 or 2 more gems like today, and then Saturday we'll do a deep dive, in depth, and see what we want to do for the following week as far as making some money. Stay tuned. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.